Hello, my name is Don Jones and I'm going to be giving a demonstration of our Cumulus desktop product. We bundle the Microsoft Office 2010 suite including Excel, Word, Outlook, and the other Office apps that you're familiar with. We also happen to have on our desktop here Amicus Attorney. You can install your own line of business or practice management app if you desire. As you can see, this looks like a normal Windows desktop. And as far as what you'll experience as a user of the system, that's exactly right. So what makes this solution different? Simply put, we provide all of this functionality in the form of a utility. Just like how you pay monthly for electricity or gas, now you can pay for your computing resources in much the same way. I'm going to go ahead and launch our SharePoint site, which by the way, SharePoint is also bundled with our product. And I'm going to go over the servers that need to go into building a solution yourself like what we offer. I'm going to jump into our shared documents section here and our diagram here. You're probably familiar with some of this as it used to be the only way that you could get all this functionality. In order to build a system like this in your office, you need to invest heavily into many server systems. Microsoft Exchange is a system that we provide as part of this bundle. Exchange provides the back end for your email system that includes the sharing of calendars, contacts, and many other collaborative features not found in a standard email system. You can also sync with mobile devices like the iPhone and the Android when using Exchange, so your inbox, calendar, and contacts are all mirrored across any device. Also included in our system is the ability to centrally store files. Typically, you'd need to install a file server to accomplish this task. To use SharePoint, you need to set up another system as well to accommodate this functionality. The remote desktop technology, which I'm currently using right now, it would need its own server system as well to allow for multiple users to connect at the same time to view their desktop from anywhere. Spam filtering is also included, and in the past you'd need some sort of system or appliance if you were doing the spam filtering yourself. Here we have a backup server for recovery purposes. Typically this server would be configured to back up all these systems here that we just went over. And to protect all these systems, you would need to purchase a firewall as well. Think about the investment needed to buy each of these server systems and to set them up at your own premises. And not only do you need to have the hardware, you also have to consider the licensing fees for each of these server systems to run the software that you need. We've established a partnership with Microsoft to provide licensing for these software products on a utility basis. This allows you to avoid the huge upfront expense for software, which is commonly referred to as the Microsoft tax. If you were hosting this at your own site, you'd also need to keep in mind the bandwidth requirements to run all these server systems. To get a seamless experience when remoting in for multiple users, you would need a pretty decent internet connection to accomplish this task. And to top it all off, once you've gone through and purchased the right server hardware, the proper software and licensing, the bandwidth, you'd also need to have a consultant or your own in-house IT staff spend the time to put all this together. And we all know that isn't free either. To sum it all up, we've bundled together all of these technologies and we provide them to you for a simple monthly price. You'll be able to access your desktop and data from the office, from home, or anywhere there's an internet connection. Imagine being able to pull up your practice management system while in court or an off-site meeting. This is all possible today with our Cumulus product.